Hello again guys, it's Mr. 998 and today I'm reviewing this Lego Disney Mickey and Friends Fire Truck and Station set that is out back in summer 2021. So I'm taking this view at this box. I got this for my birthday in 2022. So let's take a look at the outside and the inside of the fire station. As you can see, the building is red and the roofs are blue. So there's this Mickey Mouse head-shaped piece up on the roof with these blue transparent pieces can be used as blue flashing lights. As you can see, the walls had printed windows with Mickey's head shapes, the fire badge, the bell and the fire hose. And there is a sliding pole here, and this gate can be opened and closed. So on the booths it had the binoculars, can be used as this siren and this aerial area. Oh, that's the lookout binoculars, and it had those sirens with the blue cone, transparent cone piece can be used as a flashing light. So the inside this fire station, it had the office with this seat and this table with this red mug. And then here's this tap piece here in the shed. And here's the emergency sab-nav thing. So here's this buildable fire engine. Or a fire truck. It had those 4 wheels, but those tires came off here. But it's because it's a junior's tire. Here's the ladder, and the back is yellow. And here's this hose with water spraying out. And there's the seat with the steering wheel, and it had those blue transparent pieces can use as lights, flashing lights. And it had this cool bumper with printed headlights. And here's this barbecue with a flame on it. That's because the barbecue's on fire. And there's also a parasol. You can see the parasol is on fire. So I think I'll take this off. You can see the fire has been put out. And there is a box with a bone in it. The set that comes with 3 minifigures and 1 pet figure in the set. So here's Mickey Mouse in his firefighter's outfit. As you can see, this Mickey head has the firefighter's hat on, but it won't remove. He wears his red firefighter's uniform on, and he carries the fire extinguisher. So next is Minnie in her firefighter's outfit. As you can see, it has the pink bow on her firefighter's helmet. That's because she's a female firefighter. Next is Goofy, who is holding 2 sausages. He wears his same clothes from the Disney training station set that I've done a review. And he wears his white apron on with that hanky and that spatula. Printing. And here is that Lego figure Pluto. That the people had made Pluto back in 2021. Such a nice dog, Pluto. This set that came with 3 instruction booklets, which I'm going to take a flip through at booklet number 1. Just move these out of the way. Here's the back of these two other booklets. It shows some other Mickey and Friends sets. I done a review on this. Well, that's my review on the Lego Disney Mickey and Friends fire truck and station set. So I'll be back for another video soon. See ya!